Okay, here's a 1960 Studebaker Champ pickup. Look at this. My God, jeez, I never in my life seen one of these. All right, come on. Comment memories. Here you go. Here you go. There's the specs. 3-speed. They want $20,000 for that. Oh man. Phew. That is nice. All right, let's check out the interior. All right, anybody got memories of this? This is sweet. Look at that. My word.
A Studebaker?
Yeah, Studebaker Champ, dude.
You see that's the original body on it?
I don't know, but that is sweet. I never seen one of these yet.
I didn't need it. I thought I saw everything.